anybody is on the fence, like try it,
Give it a
and
shot. Yeah.
and the one great thing, Tom, is anytime we've called, you've always answered. And I don't know if people know that, but anytime we've had a question, you've helped us out with it. Um, and maybe sometimes people are a little, you go to the class and you might not look at it for 2 months and you forget some things, but I mean, you were able to help in like, and I'm not joking, 2 minutes, because you know it so well. Um, and when we talk about those numbers, those, I mean, maybe to some people that's not huge, but to us, that's a lot of money. And those are true stories. So we got those jobs using the edge. And we wouldn't have been able to do it without it. I mean, there's once again no BS. So if you are getting into, and TJ uses it for smaller jobs, but if you're getting into any commercial and you need something that really works, uh, do it. Just do it. That's all I can say. Don't put it off. I wish we wouldn't have put it off, but we did.